Welcome to the Xylab 1 online learning series, Basic Document Production. Advanced features of document production will be addressed in a separate session. Xylab offers three output formats: images, either in TIFF or PDF, native, and text. Specific settings can be applied for each of these output options. In addition, you can add exceptions and define file formats that you want to exclude from the selected production format. For instance, it has become common practice to produce spreadsheets only in native format. The Document Production Wizard is launched directly from the Document List view. The first step is defining the dataset to be produced. Although a production can be based on a query or a facet, it is common practice to create the dataset based on applied tags. For example, either a produce tag or a series of tags such as responsive but not privileged, as this ensures that you are producing exactly what is intended to be produced. For our production, we will select all documents that have been tagged as responsive and not privileged and produce them as a PDF. It is important to note that the produced set will be sorted based on how the document list is sorted in the document list view. In this instance, the documents will be sorted by the ascending modified date. However, documents will always be produced as a family regardless of the sorting option selected. Once the production set has been created, select Productions from the Settings menu, then select Create for Documents to open the Production Wizard. A production can be based on a predefined template on any previously completed production or by completing the Production Wizard steps. The selected template settings are displayed in the pane on the right. The Define Production page allows you to define the production name as well as the Bates label settings for the production set. The default production name is set to the matter name and the date and time the production is created. However, this can be changed as necessary for easy identification of the production set. In Step 2, you will define the image settings. Documents can be produced as TIFF, single page or multi-page, or as a PDF. You have the option of producing all, none, or only specific types of documents by selecting exceptions. This option will be covered in more detail in the Advanced Production training. Under the Naming section, you have the ability to set a naming convention to the produced image. Folder Properties defines the output folder where the produced images will be stored. The Image Settings defines the output format as well as orientation, resolution, and color and image size. For this production, we will select PDF as our output format. The Burn-In Fields tab defines how electronic stamping, such as Bates numbering, will be applied to the produced image. For our production, we will include the Bates number as well as the label Confidential Attorney Eyes Only. A preview is displayed in the right pane. The Redaction tab defines how redactions appear on the produced document image. Note that redacted documents cannot be produced natively. From the Placeholder tab, a custom placeholder can be created and inserted within an image production set to identify when a document is not converted to an image and cannot be Bates labeled. For instance, when a document has been produced natively, several predefined placeholders can be selected, or you can customize one specific to your needs. In Step 3, you will define whether or not native should be produced. Like with the image settings, you can select to produce all, some, or none of the documents in native format. Under the Naming section, define the name of the produced native. Several predefined options are available, or you can create a customized name. Folder Properties define the output folder where the produced images will be stored. Step 4 is the Text Setting tab. Here, you can select to produce text for all documents or no documents. Step 5 is the Load File creation. The Load File tab allows you to define metadata fields to be included in a data file, which can be used by third parties to ingest the production set into another review tool. Xylab offers many of the commonly used load file formats, and the user can select one or more of these options for a single production. Once all settings have been applied, select Next to review the production settings and kick off the production by selecting Start. Progress of the production status can be monitored from the Production Overview page. Completed production sets can be downloaded as a zip, or they can be found in the folder noted in the linked location. For more information on this and other features, visit us at help.xylab.com.